In this video, you are going to be learning about some basic properties for multiplying and dividing real numbers. Different ways of writing multiplication and division are represented in the chart below. And in the column with multiplication, where it's the first one is 2 times 3 with an x, very rarely will you see me using an x to represent multiplication because in algebra, an x usually represents a variable. So the first property we're going to talk about is when you multiply two real numbers with the same sign, the answer is positive. So in example 1, we have two positive numbers, so the answer is going to be positive. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8. In example 2, we have two negative numbers, and so when you multiply those, the answer is going to be positive. So negative 2 times negative 4 is equal to positive 8. When you multiply two real numbers with different signs, the answer is negative. So what's going to happen here is typically one number will be positive and the other number will be negative, and vice versa. So example 3, we have 2 that's positive and 4 that's negative. So the answer will be a negative number. So 2 times negative 4 is equal to negative 8. In example 4, now the 2 is negative and 4 is positive, so negative 2 times positive 4 will still be negative 8 because the signs are different. The properties for division is going to be the same for as with multiplication. So when you divide two real numbers with the same sign, the answer is positive. So example 5, we did 8 divided by 2. Those are both positive numbers, so the answer is going to be positive. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to positive 4. And example 6, we're dividing two negative numbers, so the answer is going to be positive. So negative 8 divided by negative 2 will equal positive 4. And last, when you divide two real numbers with different signs, the answer is going to be negative. And so example 7, we have negative 8 divided by positive 2, and that will give us negative 4. And then example 8, we changed the 8 to a positive and the 2 to a negative, and so the answer is still going to be negative 4. So 8 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 4.